name is Mike Addison. I'm representing Addsure FSP 15269. So very briefly, in this clip, I'm just going to demonstrate Addsure's schedule of replacement value. In other words, a schedule that we help the body corporate prepare ahead of every annual general meeting, but primarily on policy renewal. The schedule of replacement value is something that needs to be prepared separately from any policy schedule. It's away from the insurance policy per se, because Prescribed Management Rule 23.4 says a body corporate must prepare a schedule showing various things. If you're just photocopying the body corporate's policy schedule, you're making a mistake, and there's so many other risks attached to it, especially POPI related, and so on and so on. So if you have a look at our schedule here, it's brilliant. When I say it's brilliant, it's been evolved over the years. We've spent many years practicing and getting the format right. Okay, we summarize it at the top. The valuation, the most recent valuation, or the escalated valuation is summarized at the top, and then we can break down the common property exclusive use area. For example, what's a little bit of an extra feature, not besides what needs to be there, we also have a link through, you can see here, through to a booklet, and the booklet is an explainer which explains this easily for owners. So an owner can at leisure, ahead of the AGM, click on this and go and read more about the schedule of replacement values. An explainer. And the explainer itself, on the last page, has a click through to various links, one of them being a YouTube video explaining the schedule of replacement value in much more detail. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. See you again.